Let's get started in this section by looking at some mind mapping. This is an exercise that will help you get a visual picture of what you'd like to create in your business. And this is something that you can do in many different directions. So let's take a look at a mind map that I've created. I'm using an example of a mind map that was made on the website poplet.com, and the link to that site is listed below in this week's course information. This is a really simple website to use. Here, I've created a basic mind map for a fictional pottery business. Take a look with me. In the center is my core concept. This is the idea I have for my business, and around it are concepts connected to it with other main ideas. These ideas are how I'm going to sell, marketing, legal aspects, financial, product development, and even website development. This mind map does not contain everything needed to start my business, because that would be an extremely complex graph. But this exercise lets me take a look at an overview of the different parts and systems that my business will have. By making this mind map, I'll be brainstorming ideas for different areas of this new business. Take a look at the website section located just above the main concept of my pottery business. What will I need? Well, I plan to hire a webmaster and a hosting company. Each task has other tasks related to it. For my website, I need great photos, and I'll get those great photos by hiring a photographer. So that's on my mind map also. I need website content, so I need to make this as well in my mind map. I need a shopping cart, and notice that the shopping cart is linked to the ways that I plan to sell. I'm also planning to solicit commissions through my website, and so that is connected to both areas also. Everyone's mind map will look different. Use this exercise to build out a mind map for your own business, deciding how it will run, what you will need, and you can splurge on ideas, really hone them down. This is a visual tool to be configured any way you like. Let's look at a second mind map now that I've made for the same small business. One of the things I didn't include in my original one, because of space, was my studio. Here's an in-depth mind map called my studio practice. This is where I brainstorm what I need in that area. So you can see here, I have a plan. Where will I store things? My small gallery space to display my work and have an open studio event. Then I have a section for designing, which will be part of my studio practice as well, and a section for safety concerns so that I can take care of that. I might have a space that I want to rent, or perhaps a home studio, and that could be part of your mind map also. When you make your own mind map, it's for your personal use. Don't worry about anyone else. This is for your own business. Using Poplet as a tool means that you can easily go back and change your own mind map anytime you like.